Hi guys, it is me with Evie's brother, like in the last video. Evie and Evie's brother today. So today they are, not me, doing an ugly look of each other. Like Evie's brother, CJ, is going to do an ugly look for Evie. Then Evie's going to do an ugly look for CJ. I gotta admit,
Evie, I didn't look. You're not allowed to see. I looked at them just laptop.
I gotta admit, both of us is funny. Whew. So guys, I just we'll be doing part 2 of Valentine's. Yes.
Have you got?
What?
Like 16. Not that many.
1 minute. Well, they've got to wear it.
I changed it.
Okay, guys, they've got to wear it 5 minutes each.
Yeah. I changed it.
Let me see. Guys, gotta admit, it's funny. I'm a man. They're very funny.
No, he's winning damage. You've got no bad clothes.
I think Evie's winning.
Evie's got like no bad clothes. Because I'm just no, because you get rid of them. But you still had the Santa stuff, Evie. Yeah, I'm getting rid of the whole back. CJ, when you want home, still on yours. Have you put that on me? I'll tell you. Right, we're starting. If you want to you don't have to. Evie, can I go and buy some ugly pants? No, you've got like none. Oh, I'll just give you the balls then. You can spend 5. That's okay.
500.
Wait, I'm not done yet. And we can change our bio and everything.
And the animation.
I'm done. Right.
So guys, this is what CJ done. This is what Thingy done.
I changed his bio to licky ding dong boy. We've got to stay like this for like 5 minutes, you know. Yeah.
And this is what CJ.
I can't change your animation.
So guys, this is Evie.
No.
This is what CJ done for Evie. Now let me show you what Thingy done. Evie done for CJ.
Can you see it?
Yeah. So this is him. I think he's got changed. I do not know.
Go check it. Still look ugly.
Guys, just let it load. So guys, it won't show on his end, but Evie put something really funny. Put licky ding dong boys. So yeah, this is the video for all today. Bye. Subscribe and like to this video. Comment. Now I'm gonna end.